How to view folder size for Google Drive folders. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's get started. If you want to view the folder size for Google Drive folders, then follow these instructions. First, open the web browser and you want to open up this website. So this is google.com/drive/download/. Here, click on Download Drive for desktop and wait until it gets downloaded. Once it has been downloaded, open up this file. Now click on Install and wait until the process is completed. Once it has been installed, click on Launch. Now you want to sign into your Google account. Then follow the instructions that appears on your screen. Once all the process is completed, you're going to find Google Drive folder right here in your files. Now you want to right click on it, then click on Properties, and from here you can find out the folder size for your Google Drive folders. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.